Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I installed this popular V-part wig from Nadula. If you do not want to mess with no closure, no frontal, you don't want to leave your own hair out and you still want your wig to look natural, this is the perfect type of wig for you. And I'll show you how I install it. I see a lot of YouTubers wearing this wig. It is beautiful. This is the box the wigs came in. Very packaged very well, and you also have some extra stuff in it. This is how the back look like. We have combs inside, adjustable straps, and especially those tiny clips on top to secure the wig very well. And right where the V part is, you can notice some lace here. So this part is very flat. You don't have to worry about the part being bulky, and I really like that. To wash the wig, I use my regular Suave shampoo and conditioner. I also use this 3-minute curl deep conditioner on the wig. I apply it in there, brush it for 3 minutes, and then I rinse it out. And the curls came out very beautiful. I also use this cream right here, Miracle Cream. I use it on the wig, brush the wig, and let it dry overnight. For the braid pattern, I kept it very simple. All I did is just 5 braids going halfway, and I just do a ponytail with the rest of my hair. The reason I did 5 because I know I have a forehead, but you only see the forehead when I have a middle part. So I tried that wig with the middle part first and did not like it. And this is how I install it. I didn't like my forehead was showing. To create the natural part, I use the crochet method like most YouTubers here do, and it came out very beautiful. The hair is curly, so you don't have to worry about taking small pieces only. You can take thick pieces and it still come out looking right. And this is how I install it. I'm gonna install it again in this video because I end up not liking the middle part. I noticed I have a forehead. I didn't know I had one. I mean a big one. But when I shift it on the side, I liked it. That's why I have 5 braids. The other braids on the side is in case I want a side part. This is how it looks when I was done. That was my first try at it. It was a struggle to just do one side. One side is easy to do. The other side, it was a struggle. But it ended up looking right. And this is how the middle part looked like. What I did, I sprayed some water on it because the hair is curly. Doing the middle part, you will freeze the hair while you do it. So I had to use some water and spray on the hair. The hair is beautiful. I did not like the middle part on me, so I just shifted another time, not the same day. I shifted on the other side and it looked way better. This time I decided to give it a try again and wear it on the side. The issue is not the wig, it's actually my forehead. So when I shifted, it looked way better. I didn't have to trim it. And to prevent the part from freezing, this is what I did. I part the amount of hair that I'm gonna crochet first. And then I use a clip to hold the rest of the hair down right here. It's more organized that way because you're dealing with curly hair. So I did that and it didn't freeze that much. This is how I just crocheted again. And this time it was easier because that was my second time installing the wig. It got easier. I repeat the same process on the other side and this is what I came out with. The part freezed a little bit, but the rest of the hair is fine. All I have to do is just spray some water on it and then brush again. But here it looks okay to me. And the side part looked way better on me than the middle part. That's why I reinstalled it. And it looks so good. Once again, this wig is from Nadula. I'll make sure everything is linked in the description box. It's a 24-inch Kinky curly V-part wig. 24-inch. I choose not to trim it because I really like the length, and when I shift it on the side it looks like I trimmed it up front, so I like that. I didn't do any trimming to this hair and it's beautiful. We are practically done here. Thank you, Aunt Nadula, for sending me this hair. Once again, it's a 24-inch kinky curly V-part wig. If you don't want to deal with no closure frontal, or you don't want to leave your own hair out, give this type of wig a try. And Nadula has this wig and other curl pattern. I'll make sure I link them in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on my next one.